G'day guys, we are going to the volcano lake today. We are pretty much here in Ratanakiri. Let's have a look.
Buồn quá này.
We're just looking for parking now. We're about to park.
Settle when we get inside the car, not hard.
I have gout in my left elbow. I'm essentially a cripple today. I can only use one arm. Well, thanks for joining me again. Time for another adventure. So we're at the far north of Cambodia. Sorry, the far northeast, towards the Laos and Vietnam border. And we're visiting a lake in the mouth of a extinct volcano, I think it is. It goes without saying that I've never been here before. It's my first time.
Oh man, I forgot to take my.
But anyway, let's show you around a bit. There's mud everywhere. It's the wet season. There was a torrential downpour last night.
Phnom Penh.
You got jerky here. Looks like beef jerky. And like pots and souvenirs. There you go folks, beef jerky. Got all your souvenirs here. All your souvenirs. Local tribal clothes. There's a local tribe that lives here, an indigenous tribe. That's not the Khmer people, but there's about 20 different indigenous tribes that live in the forests and hills of Cambodia.
This one steam
For the sticky rice. Okay. I'll just show you the menu at this restaurant. It's all in Cambodian. So the meals are 60 to 80,000 local money. So 20,000 local money is $5 US. So $15 to $20 US for a dish. That is actually quite expensive for this country. I've been here for 2 months and I've never paid more than $10 for a meal. So you're looking at $15 to $20 in these tourist areas. Very, very expensive. More beef jerky. You got different meats here. I think one's buffalo and one's beef. Got all your crystals, your magic healing crystals. Wow.
Bong in Tabay Macalao bong.
What's that? The meat?
Buffalo meat.
Oh, buffalo meat. Yeah, buffalo meat.
Check.
How much is it?
1 គីឡូ 70000
1 kilo. Oh man.
អានេះមិន
ប
សព
ញ្ញា
ទេ
មួយបាយតំណាប់មួយបុករហូតមកឈុតតែ 30000 ទេ
By
អា
moon.
នេះមិនសពទេ
ចា
អានោះអត់សពទេព្រមមើល
ធានាឲ្យទៅបីចំ
So it's about
10000
it's about $20 for a kilogram of turkey. About $20.
ខ្លួនឯងទេ
17 and half
Oh, about $5.
for 1 kg
Yeah.
buffalo meat.
About $5 for buffalo meat.
Half, you mean half kg?
No, I'm saying 1 kg of buffalo meat.
And 700,000 real.
70.
700,000 real.
700. How much is that in US dollars?
No.
70.
Yeah, 70,000.
Yeah, 70 is about $20.
It's 17 and half US.
Yeah, 17 and a half US dollars for a kilogram of buffalo meat. Look how big the banana is, man.
I'm check price.
ទីតាំង
That is,
ឆ្នៃ
it's yellow
ហើយគេឆ្នៃ
yellow bananas.
អានេះបានល្អមើល
They're huge.
ទេយើងស្ងោរញ៉ាំឆ្ងាញ់មកអស់
And
មួតផ្អែម
some kind of fruits here. Never seen it before in my life.
គីឡូ
Wow. Got all your local markets here. I think we're going to trek straight up ahead and go through that little area there. Right, folks.
នៅខេត្តនៅឡើយអូននៅនេះក៏ប្រហែលជាថ្ងៃច័ន្ទគេយប់ហ្នឹង
There's the local tribal kids, I assume, riding the elephant. I must look like an alien to them. I mean, so far, this is a very, very nice area. Very tranquil. Got all your gingers and different fruits. That's is that palm fruit juice? I think this is palm fruit juice. It'd be like sugar cane juice. It'd be sweet. You got your bush honeycomb. Wow. Looks like they're steaming. Are they? Are they?
មើលគេអត់ទៅយកខ្ញុំអា
Looks like they are steaming some vegetables and fruits here. See, the issue with sort of looking and filming around is everyone kind of expects you to buy something. That's why, like, I don't really want to bother asking for prices. because if I ask for prices and then I don't buy anything, they get actually a little bit irritated and sometimes even angry. Wow, check out this chili. Some kind of chili sauce. Ah, wow. And check this out. You got your silkworms. Silkworms? You guys want to eat silkworms? I think this is sweet tamarind. Wow. And more local honeycomb. You can also get the honeycomb grilled in those banana leaves. If you don't know what these are, this is a soursop fruit. It's like a sour, sweet and sour fruit. Quite nice when you make smoothies. But you know, very nice local market. Good for people to come here and shop. These people seem friendly. For some reason they sell a lot of these big pots. I don't think they're Cambodian pots, like I said. It probably belongs to the tribal people here. So some kind of tribal pot that you could buy as a souvenir. Geez, fried meats is very, I mean not fried, what do you call it? Oh, I forgot now. What do you call that, dried meat? Jerky. Seems like jerky is very popular here. Here we go. Geez, everyone's here. Let me guess, they're gonna charge a price to enter. Here we go, already trying to sell stuff. There we go, they're trying to sell food, trying to sell places to sit, asking if we want to rent a location along the lake. Obviously I have no interest because I'm just walking around at the moment. No, not at the moment. Darling Todd. Ở to này nhầm hoi chụp nhầm bài mình. Ở đó này cho một bon. Wow. So you even have the you got a dock here. Looks like you could rent a boat, go for like a cruise around the lake. So this lake is this is a volcano. This is a volcano. Is it extinct? I don't know. But the volcano has been filled with this lovely green water. So the YEAK LAOM lake, swim at your own risk. Okay, so it looks like you are allowed to swim in this lake. I didn't bring any swimming gear. There will be no swimming. But fuck, man, this is lovely. Holy shit. Check out the lush forest around the lake. Jeez, I'm getting stalked at the moment. I'm getting stalked by a guy trying to sell me something. I'll be honest, I've never been inside a volcano before. This is amazing. Do I reckon you should come here? 10 out of freaking 10. I mean, like, how many times in your life do you get a chance to, like, be in the crater of a volcano? Check out the water. I wonder if there's fish in here. And if there is fish, how did the fish get inside the mouth of the volcano? Let me show you my stalker. There you go, that's my stalker. Check out how big this tree is. That is freaking huge. Alright, let's have a little walk around. That's good. ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំចិត្តញ៉ាំហើយបាទអរគុណនេះបងទៅចាប់ពណ៌ស្វាយអូខ្ញុំដើរលេងថត